Everywhere you go, you'll make a lot of friends on the way. Here. Wow. It's going to be like very skinny. The rolling like anything. Actually, climbing down is very hard than climbing up. This is the easiest way. Do not choose that path. You choose this kind of path, more stable. That will roll you down because a lot of rolling stone. Our lucky day, we have ice cream, 30 pesos. It's really good. What is it having? Mango? No. What do you have?
This is a favorite.
I can take a chocolate.
Pinipig.
Yeah, that one same. How about everybody chocolate? Okay. So totally how much it is?
I have ice cream.
120?
Yeah.
Okay. Seriously, very good for this climate. And some more we need some sugar. After climbing the trekking over there, lighthouse. Wow, what a mission.
Mission completed.
Yeah, I had to tell you, my boys won't make it, but they are very quick.
But the knee. Almost tired. Look at the knee.
Right now? They are good. They are fit. They are very fit. Right now, we are going to Diguisit Falls. Diguisit Falls. It is over here. I don't know how it look like. First time. Yeah, that's the one, right?
Right.
Oh, it's free, but if you leave trash, you have to pay. Huh?
I want to climb it.
Give him, leave him alone. Slowly, don't run. No run. Enjoy it. Yeah. Stephen, it will slippery, Stephen. There's no point going in fast. Hey, Stephen! If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Come this way. Follow me. Follow me. Slowly. It's very rocky. This is slippery, careful. Slippery. Slippery, Stephen. Wow. Careful, Stephen, here. Careful. Careful. You'll go this way. No.
What? Is it?
Careful. You okay, Stephen?
It's like running a marathon.
Careful. This is very, very speedy.
Then the other one.
Let's see this one first. Watch your step. Hold it like this.
Watch my step.
Watch your step.
Oh, I can walk. Watch my.
We are directly below. It's a mini spa. We are directly below. Look at that. Come on, that is slippery. How's that? How's Stephen? Cold? Water is cold?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my. That's deep.
Careful, Stephen.
Can you chuck it there?
No, you can chuck also. It is little, but it's very nice. Maybe in the rainy season, it will be more fast, more water. Right now, so little. Look at that. Very little. Ah, yeah. They're here?
Run! I miss Jimbo.
Steven, wait here.
Say hi. Okay, Stephen, let's go. Okay, right now it's like a 10:15. We are at Ermita Hills. Okay, right now it's like a 10:15. We are at Ermita Hills. This place have a nice viewpoint up there. You can see the city view, and you have a big grass over there. You need to go 1,000 steps on the hike. I'm going to ask my children whether they're going to follow me or not. Otherwise, I'll go myself.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.